This is a Durkopp 1031. Durkopp 1031. Probably from the early to mid 50s. It's a semi-industrial machine. Still use a cleated belt. And a very, very well thought of machine. Many features on this machine I cannot find on other made, like the foot, to save time. Instead of use your left hand to lift the foot up, you just use your knees like that. So it have a poor restoration attempt. That's the shame, because this machine is so very, very, very hard to combine in United States. But you can still find a lot of this in Europe, but not in United States. So it's have a case here, and you can make it a flatbed by they have a piece of wood extension there. And this machine, it's so versatile. That's why Durkopp is such a leader in industrial sewing machine. Like on these, you can take this out and you can put this in a treadle, and they have a fine adjustment on these two big dial here. That's for the decorative stitch, and all this I still have to learn what that's for, but I will learn. Look like I need to take it all apart and do a complete restoration again on this. Yeah, it's supposed to say Durkopp here. It's in very, very fine machine here. I'm still trying to find more information about this machine. Usually it's in German, so hard to find in English. So, but I'm trying. Thanks for watching. See, I'm still learning about auto sewing machine. I don't know anything about it, but I'm learning.